a great amount of my father's work was serialized in newspapers and journalen, journals, magazines, so forth. And there wasn't a day of the week where something didn't come in the mail. And I had a phenomenal stamp collection as a kid because he would always give me the stamps. And his work was published in Yiddish language publications in the most bizarre places. Mexico, South America, Israel, of course, all across Europe. So, yes, in a funny way, he had a international audience. And these newspapers would arrive, and I remember a daily activity in the house. I remember coming home from school day after day and finding my father at the kitchen table with a bottle of mucilage, you know, that sort of orange airplane glue, and these school composition notebooks. And he'd be cutting out the clippings from the Yiddish newspapers and pasting them into these notebooks. And we have rows and rows, shelf upon shelf, of these composition notebooks, each containing clippings of my father's work.